Okay, so I'm gonna do the room check because I've put the phones away, so in boxes, cable tie things, loads of phones, and then the PBX is in the bottom drawer. So the only phone I have out at the minute is the TG 7641 for the link to mobile. So that's the only one I have out at the minute. I might put the TGH 260 up. Got the socket that this is plugged into, my tower that I plug all my phones into. So I've literally just turned it on. So the phones will next come out, I think, on the 27th or the 28th of December. And I will put the Christmas on them. So I'll have to sort out which ones I want. So it's good. We've got, basically what this video is about is, for a while now I've had the Libra in my room as my doorbell in my room, because I have a doorbell in my room because I just like it. So there's the Libra, and then out here is the, sorry about the barking, that will stop in a sec. So I'll just finish showing you this. Got a little storage box down there with like wires. Then I'm just going to close this a sec. Okay, so sorry about the barking, everyone. I'll try and hopefully it'll stop. So yeah, this is the phone. So this is like proper usage. So there we go. So it's not fully charged because I've just plugged it in, and this hasn't got a very good battery life. So I'm gonna let that charge. You're just gonna have to bear the barking because I'm gonna show the thing. So here is the bell push for my doorbell. So it's the Honeywell home one, so it's quite faulty. But I'm just gonna press it. So it can fault sometimes. So I don't have it on the flash mode, I only have it on the doorbell mode. So this is the sounds that the Friedland Libra has. So what's inspired me to show more videos of doorbells on my YouTube channel is there's a guy in my server, Electronic Enthusiasts. If you want to join that, there's a video on my channel with a link to join that, and the link's also in my YouTube description. So there's a guy in my server. Don't know if he'll want me to say his name on YouTube, so for now I won't, but you know who you are. You like Evos and Decors, Friedland Evos and Decors. So he's inspired me to he prefers like wireless doorbells like this guy, but I prefer wired. So basically, to stop whittering on, in this video I'm going to show you me in the store grabbing a wired doorbell, and then I'm going to wire it into my room. Not into it, I'm going to have a cable running across the wall with some stick-on cable holders. Then I'm going to have the doorbell just behind here, so I'll pull the phone forward a bit. And yeah, so this is the first part, and then I'll see it when I get to the store, and then I'll show you the doorbells. The store I'm going to go to is the home base, because I'm going to get a doorbell, and then I'll see you then. To the 3 shops. The first shop I went to was home base, and from home base I got this. This is my bell push. I got this in shop. I couldn't find any bell wire, but I'll just use what I've got. 2 packs of these. And 2 packs of them C-size, but I hope I got C-size and not D-size. Then this Axiom doorbell chime, and then I'm going to wire that up. That's they're C-sized, aren't they? Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Okay, so obviously the Libra is going. So yeah, I've removed the bell push ready. So here's the Libra bell push removed. So now I'm just going to line up the camera. Alright, start with, I'll show the door chime. That's going to be replacing the Libra. Is this, so it's just going to be a quick kind of wire installation. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the Libra, so and just put that to one side. So I'll just put, I just think that wired is a lot more reliable than wireless and sounds nicer. It's an old style xylophone kind of noise, so it's got an older noise to it. Something I quite like on a doorbell. It's not got the classic, hold on. It doesn't have that kind of, but it's close. Plus it's an old doorbell, it works. So this takes 4 C-size batteries, so I've got the batteries. I need to get some more 9 volt ones, but I haven't got enough money at the minute. Then I need to get some bell cable and some scissors, and then I need to, so is that still, okay, so I've got the batteries ready. So the bell push doesn't really matter what kind it is, as long as that works. The door chime though, I don't like the Byron ones because they don't sound as classical and as nice as, well, I would have liked a Friedland D107. I'm getting one of them soon. But actually what I'm looking for at the minute is some scissors, because I have some in here, unless they've gone of course. Because they're not in here. So let me get so I'll trim this wire down once I've, but yeah, here's the bell push. So it's just a cheap Byron, but it doesn't really matter because it works. I just hope the door chime works, basically. I think I should have enough wire. I'll see. Right, I'm going to actually put the wire out now. Yeah, I should have plenty. So it's going to be a long project, but I've just started with it. I'm just going to feed the wire across. Then I'll wire everything, like the bell push and stuff. Oh, I'll put that there then. Right, I need to get another. So I'm just taking these hand things to. Are we able to see this part now? Right, so now I know where to cut the wire. So yeah, I've got plenty of wire. So what did I do with my scissors? To cut the bell push. Oh, there they are. Right. Right, now I just need to have a look how much wire is left for the bell push. Plenty, so I'll cut it once. So, on the back of the doorbell box, it shows the wiring diagram. So, do not use illuminator bell push. So, wire 1, 2. Alright, so I've got to wire these terminals to terminals 1 and 2. So, which way up do I want the doorbell? I want it that way. Well, alright, so I'll put that there. Let me get some wire trimmers. This is just for entertainment purposes. I'm not doing a how-to for them. I'm going to just wire this one again because this terminal, because I don't like the way I did it. I'm going to have to put some light on because I can't see what I'm doing even though it's day. Alright. Right, so that's that done. Now the bell push. Now I'm going to wire the doorbell button. So I'm going to need some scissors and I'm going to trim these wires. Let's wire the doorbell. I'm just going to Actually, no, I will attach it on. Let me get the remaining. So that's wired up. Okay, now I'm putting batteries in the door tram, so I've already got one done. So I've finished putting the batteries in, so I'm going to put the cover on. Right, now let's give it the test. And it works! Perfect. Me pressing the doorbell. Alright, so thank you for watching this installation video. Make sure to like and subscribe.